Yep, we're on the road again. But we have some company. What? Getting chased by palmage. Yep, we got a boatload back there today. Out here in North Carolina. We made it. The Tundra did it. It's sagging. The step is about to touch the ground. Let's see. Oh, almost. Almost. That's a lot of pounds of palmage there. We got 3. 1 in the back, 2 on the trailer, and a skid steer. Oof. How many pounds do you guys think that is? What's the poundage do you think that is? Alright, 1 down, 2 to go. I want to get that pot off, but it won't come off. So I'm going to have to slice it. Unfortunately. Alright. Wow, look at those roots. Dude, this thing is going to take off when it hits the soil. It was so root bound. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. It's going to take off nice. You've been waiting to go in the ground, huh? Alright, we're on the last one here. The poor Toyota. Got a little damage there. A little damage on this Toyota. But it did pretty good. 3 palms. Not bad. Check out the root system on this bad boy. Almost no dirt left. Wow. This guy can't wait to get in the ground. Yep, we did it again, guys. We cheated a little bit here. Used the jet ski trailer to get this last one on. The key for this to work is you have to cut this off completely. And when I cut it, you can just see how root bound this thing was. Oof. I cut the bottom off of it. So the key is just tilt it upwards, slide it in, but if this was on here, it would be stuck in that hole with it. Trust me, I've been there. It's ugly. So you cut it off first, so when it slides in, you can pull that away a lot easier. But yep, last one, just going in now. One of the bigger ones, I think. Alright, landing and installation was a success. Just slid right off. Beautiful. Palm tree with the jet ski trailer.